We live in an electronic world. Electronics regulates our heat and light, monitors our health, maps our travel, plays our music, keeps our transport moving, links us to family and friends across the world via the internet. Without electronics, our world would grind to a halt. You will learn how to write the computer code, which drives many of the digital devices we rely on to run and monitor our technological world. You will learn how the hardware controlled by the code is designed and fabricated. You will see the reasons why electronics never stand still. As greater and greater computing power is squeezed into smaller and smaller processors so that a smartphone is faster, more versatile, and more powerful than computers which once filled a room. You will glimpse the future as advances in nanotechnology and quantum physics shrink electronic devices still further and make them operate at almost unimaginable speed. You will learn how to send sound and data wirelessly via foam masts, cables, fibers and satellites that reach every part of the world and far beyond. You could even produce your own music tracks and develop digital effects that make them sound exciting and unique. A world where a career in electronics is a career in IT, telecommunications, broadcasting, healthcare, design, industry, robotics, art, conservation, agriculture, research, finance, anywhere that uses electronics, which is almost everywhere. Electronics is the future, your future. Why not find out more, see what it takes to become an electronics engineer?
Now that you have finished the unboxing, let me help you set up your TCL Smart Google TV for the first time. First, you need to make sure that you have connected your TV to power and put the included batteries into your remote. Then boot up your TV, and we will begin the setup process by selecting our language. Then select your region or country, and now select which type of setup you want to go with. Basic TV won't let you do anything except view live TV and connect external devices, so we're gonna select Google TV for sure. Then you'll get prompted to continue the setup using Google Home app, but you can also choose to set it up using your TV remote instead. At this point, you need to connect to the internet so that the setup process can continue. After connecting to the internet, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you need to hit accept, and you can also uncheck these settings if you want. Then you'll get a prompt to set up Google Assistant, so we'll press continue, and you need to hit allow if you want to use Google Assistant. Then hit accept, and choose the services you want to install. After that, hit confirm. Select your TV mode, which will be home. Agree to the user agreements, and choose if you want to turn on automatic updates or not. Now you'll get a prompt to pair your remote so that you can use it via Bluetooth. For that, just press the home button and the OK button together until on your TV screen it says it's paired. Now you won't need to point your remote towards your TV to use it. As you can see, the setting up process has begun and it may take a few minutes, so be patient. Great job! Now your TCL Smart TV is ready to entertain. Now if you want to add the cherry on top, you can watch our video about the best picture settings of your TCL Smart TV right here. And that's all. So sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to tune in for more.
What is solar inverter? A solar inverter is a device that converts the DC electricity received from your solar panels into a form of electricity that can be used by appliances and other electronics in your home. Let's understand how it works and the different types of inverter available for solar. During the day, when the sun shines on the solar panels installed in your homes, electrons within the solar cells start to move around, which produces DC energy. The energy then goes straight into an inverter, which converts it into AC energy, which is the standard electrical current used to power appliances at home. Now that we know how solar inverter works, let's look at the various kinds and their functions. There are three core types of solar inverter: grid-tie inverters, off-grid inverters, and hybrid inverters. Grid-tie inverters are used with the solar PV system that is integrally connected to the utility grid power. They must connect to the grid to function. The electricity produced by the solar system, which is not consumed in the property, is automatically injected into the grid via a bidirectional meter. In case of the power cut, the inverter stops to function as a safety feature, which is known as anti-islanding. This system doesn't have battery backup, so during power cut, you will not have access to power. Hence, this system can be used in area where there are rare or very less power cut. It can alternatively be used if you have a normal inverter battery system at home for power backup during power cut. Off-grid inverters, on the other hand, work just like the normal inverters used at home. In this system, DC power generated by solar panel is used to charge the solar battery. When there is power cut, the inverter will draw stored energy from battery, converting DC power from the battery to usable AC power for running electrical appliances. This system can be used in area where there is frequent or long power cut. Combining the capabilities of both grid-tie and off-grid inverters into one. A hybrid inverter system can be used in both high power cut areas or areas where there is rare or very less power cut. Under normal operating conditions, it can supply power to the home, charge the batteries, and excess power can be fed into the grid. In case of a power cut, the unit will automatically switch over to battery supply and continue to operate independently from the electricity grid. Solar systems provide several advantages for their users. They help save money, are easy to install and maintain, and most importantly, reduce your carbon footprint. If you're looking to go solar, you should talk to our experts to know more about our range of grid-tie, off-grid, and hybrid inverters.
Easy installation split. Easy installation. Drain pipe change position. Easy maintenance. Easy installation. Decide on installing location for the mounting plate. Mark the center hole. Drill a hole on the marked center point. Insert plastic plug to the wall. Then install center screw. 4 screw points for fixing mounting plate. Make the mounting plate horizontally. Mark the 4 screw points. Then fix the mounting plate with screws. Take off horizontal ruler. Hang the AC onto mounting plate. Then open the screw cover. Remove the screw and take off the trim panel. Lift up AC. Open the two support plates to 90 degrees. Connect air conditioner pipes with 2 wrenches. Connect drain pipe and twine round it with tape. Open the front panel. Take off wiring distribution cover. Then remove the wiring clamp. Insert connecting cord from the bottom. Fix cord terminal to the terminal board. Fix wiring clamp and wiring distribution cover. Close the front panel and the 2 support plates. Push AC onto the wall. Put the trim panel onto the AC. Then install the 2 screws. Finally, close screw cover. Drain pipe change position. Firstly, take off the trim panel. Remove the drain pipe screw. Then take off the drain pipe. Secondly, take off the rubber plug from the left drain hole. Insert the drain pipe to the left drain hole and fix it with screw. Thirdly, insert the rubber plug to the right drain hole. Then put the trim panel onto the AC. Easy maintenance. Firstly, open the front panel. Remove wiring distribution cover. Disconnect the display cord and take off the front panel. Secondly, take off the 2 filters and the horizontal airflow panel. Then remove the 4 screws to take off the shell. Thirdly, take off electric box cover and replace PCB. Finally, take off motor shield. Loosen motor access screw. Motor can be replaced.